sacrifice, patriotism and heroism, and a high sense of civic duty in helping steer Kenyans through the current pandemic. And on behalf of an internally grateful nation, I have, on this first day of June 2020, issued an executive order establishing a new national award and state commendation, the Presidential Order of Service, Uzalendo Award. The names of the inaugural recipients of this high national honor have been published in a special issue of the Kenya Gazette dedicated to them. Fellow Kenyans, I would like to end my address today by once again re-emphasizing the calling by our founding fathers, that they went through the fire and yet founded a nation that we call Kenya today. Their voices are calling out to each and every one of us during this moment of uncertainty. And they are telling us to be our very best in our darkest moments, just as they were. They are telling us that they fought for the liberation war for over 40 years and it came to pass. We will fight the challenges that we are faced with today, and this too shall come to pass.